Hey fellow Dota fanatics, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Enigma's mythical set called Twisted Maelstrom for cheap in Dota 2. To do so, you first need to open your Dota 2 via the Steam client and then click on Armory, and under the filter hero list, search for Enigma, and under full sets, look for the item called Twisted Maelstrom, which is right over here. As you can see, this item will cost you 2003.49 Indian rupees. So to buy this item for cheap, all you need to do is click on this I button first. Here are more details about this set. And here are the items included in this set. To buy this for cheap, all you need to do is buy these items separately and then assemble it. For example, this will cost you 597.02 Indian rupees. This will cost you 88.9, and this will cost you 801.96, which will bring up your total up to 1487.88, and you're gonna save 515.61 Indian rupees. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming.